We are back with our another interesting video where we will learn how to draw this cute caricature of an apple. Caricature is basically exaggeration of human feature to make it look funny. So we'll start. So the first thing you need to do is you just need to draw a basic apple. Now that I am done with the apple, I will draw the leaf. As I told you, here we involve a lot of exaggeration. So here we are going to make a big leaf which a kind of resembles the hair of an apple. To make it look funny, we are adding a big leaf using the wavy lines. I'm done with the leaf and now I'll add facial features in the apple. First start with the eye. So an upside down U and again one more for the eye, and then I will add the eyeball, again two smaller upside down U. Now I'll add the lashes, then the eyebrows. Now I'm done. Now let me add the specs for the apple to make it look more funny and more interesting at the same time. So here you can use your imaginations as much as you want. Like, I know it's not possible for a real to an apple wear the spectacles, but again here we are using our imaginations and creativity to make it look interesting. So I've added the spectacles here. Now I'll add a big mouth of the apple. I will draw the hand here. For the hand you just need to use the curved lines, and I will add the fingers. And what I am thinking is to make it more interesting, I am making it look like a big apple is eating a smaller apple. So I have placed a small apple in the hand. Now I'll just complete the mouth. I will draw the teeth so that the apple can bite the smaller apple. Now the tongue. I'm done with that. Just now add few lines. Now I will go with my second hand. Again I told you that here you can do anything you want according to your imagination. So you can see the difference in the size of both the hands. The hand this side eating an apple is big and that is small. Now we'll add the leg and also will make the apple wear the shoe. So I'm done with that as well. So you can see I'm almost done with my caricature, and you can see the difference between a normal apple and the caricature of an apple. It resembles a human feature, wearing specs, eating, having a mouth, wearing shoes. Now I make the outline with the marker and just erase all the pencil lines. So I'm done. Now we'll start with the coloring. Let's start with the body. So for that we are using the same color of the apple. First I will outline all the area with the color red wherever I need to color it. Once I am done with the outlining, just I will leave this white space and then fill the whole space with the red color. You can see this. And now I'll work on the eye. For that leave a small white dot and just color whole eyeball with the black color. Now I'll just do a little detail on the specs. I will just color that again using the same black color. I'm done with that. Now I'll go to the leaf. For that I'm using the light green for the whole part. Once I'm done with the outlining, I will fill the color inside. Done. Now I will give a touch of the dark green on that. For that just color the middle line with the dark green and all the strokes around. Just mix your light green with the dark green. Do a bit in the corner. Now we'll work on the mouth. So for the tongue I'm using the color pink. Done with that. Again for the smaller apple, the red color. Now I'll work on the hand, the finger part. For that I'm using the color yellow. So I'll use this for the other hand as well. And for the shoe I'm going to use dark blue and the light blue. So first I'll work with the light blue. On the top part of the shoe I'm using the light blue, and at the bottom I'm using the dark blue for the sole and also for the design. So I'm done with this as well. I'm going to take my black color again and fill the space between the tongue and the teeth. Done with it, and same black color I'm going to use for the body, that is my legs and hands. So we are done with this interesting apple caricature, where you can see how funny this apple looks. The main work here is the work of the imaginations. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.